meet John. John is now a successful stock market investor. But how did John become an investor? John works in an IT company where he has a decent salary. A few years back, he realized that his income was not sufficient to support all his financial needs and his future financial goals. He felt worried about his future, and so he was in the search of other ways by which he could secure his future. Sooner he got to know that it was possible by investing his money in the stock market. John started studying the stock market. Initially, he was confused about fundamental analysis, technical analysis, trading, and investing. He then studied that fundamental analysis means understanding the key attributes of a company with the help of its past performance and analyzing how the company will perform in the future. With the help of fundamental analysis, it is easy to predict the intrinsic value of a company's stock in the next few years, and thus the proper buying and selling prices of the stock can also be predicted. Fundamental analysis is very important before making long-term investments. Then for trading, he had to study technical analysis. He understood that technical analysis is done using chart patterns. He studied various chart patterns, types of indicators and their applications, trends, strategies, etc. Technical analysis is useful in predicting how the stock will perform in the short term. By studying fundamental and technical analysis, John became a good quality analyst. He invests his money for long term by identifying good stocks with fundamental analysis, and also he earns good returns in short term by trading, which is possible by knowing the market conditions with the help of technical analysis. John then learned about how the compounding effect works, and he got the solution for his biggest problem, which was future financial planning. He understood how he can earn good returns because of the power of compounding by investing even a small amount. With all the concepts that he studied, he made proper financial planning and set investment goals for short and long term, and also started SIP from his salary. In this way, John became a successful investor. If you also want to become a successful investor like John and want to learn the art of making money from the stock market with your existing income, enroll in the Blue Chip Mart's Basics of the Stock Market course now. In this course, you will learn about company analysis, sector analysis, power of compounding, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and personal financial planning. For more details and registration, you can call the team on 7219-729572, or you can mail them on info@bluechipmart.com.